Installation video for our MedHub Mobile Workstation with tablet mount. Base assembly. Set the base plate upside down, then place the base legs over the threaded posts as shown with the holes for the casters facing up. Place the pedal plate over the posts with the pedal facing the same direction as the longer sides of the legs. Install the provided nut onto the ends of the threaded posts and tighten them until secure. Caster installation. Install the casters into the threaded holes on the legs and tighten them into position. Connect the column to the base. Remove the 4 pre-installed countersunk bolts from the bottom end of the desk column. Place the desk column into the slot on the base and secure it in place using the same bolts that you just removed. Connect the desktop to the column. Remove the 4 pre-installed countersunk bolts from the top end of the desk column. Place the desktop over the upright, then pass the screws through the desktop to attach the column, then tighten them until secure. Attach the tablet stand. Attach the tablet stand to the desktop using the provided countersunk bolts. Add the 100mm extenders to extend the visa size to 100 by 100mm for alternate attachments not using the tablet case, such as a monitor. Attach the tablet case. Attach the tablet case to the tablet stand using the provided bolts. Attach the basket to the column. Remove the bolts from the basket to separate the bracket into 2 parts. Reattach the bracket around the column and tighten the bolts until the basket is secured in place. Attach the power strip to the column. Remove the bolts from the power strip mount to separate the bracket into 2 parts. Reattach the bracket around the base of the column over the power strip to secure it in place. Attach the accessory holder. Attach the accessory holder to the side of the desktop using the provided bolts. Insert the tablet. Loosen the bolts on the back of the tablet case and expand the case to a size larger than that of the tablet. Insert the tablet and slide the sides of the case in until all 4 corners are snug against the tablet. Then tighten the bolts back down once more to secure the tablet in the case. The outer bolts should also be tightened to make sure the tablet is snug. Raising and lowering. To raise the cart, hold each side of the platform, then step on the foot pedal. To lower the cart, step on the foot pedal, then press the platform down with your hands.